7 Habits of Becoming Wealthy. Becoming wealthy isn't a secret or a stroke of luck. It's a series of habits. Simple, repeatable, powerful. Let's explore the 7 habits of people who build real, lasting wealth. Habit 1. Live below your means. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. He could afford a mansion or 100 of them, but he chooses simplicity. Why? Because real wealth comes from discipline. Living below your means isn't about being cheap. It's about making smart choices so your money can grow. Habit 2. Pay yourself first. Every time you get paid, save first before you pay bills, before you buy coffee. This is what millionaire author David Bach calls the latte factor. He showed how saving just $5 a day could grow to over $1 million over a lifetime with compound interest. You don't need a huge income, just the habit of paying yourself first. Habit 3. Invest consistently. Chris Raining started investing $500 a month in his 20s. He didn't chase hot stocks or get rich quick. He just invested steadily in index funds. By age 37 he was a millionaire, and he retired early. Consistency beats intensity. Always. Habit 4. Keep learning. Oprah Winfrey once said, "The more you know, the more you can achieve." Wealthy people read. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Learning about finance, business, or just how the world works expands your opportunities. Every book you read is a tool in your wealth-building toolkit. Habit 5. Build multiple streams of income. Most millionaires don't rely on one paycheck. They have income from businesses, stocks, rental properties, and more. Take Elon Musk. He didn't stop at PayPal. He built Tesla, SpaceX, and other ventures. Start small. A side hustle, freelance work, or passive income stream. One stream gives you security. Multiple streams give you freedom. Habit 6. Surround yourself with the right people. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If you spend time with people who talk about ideas, growth, and dreams, you'll grow. If you're surrounded by negativity, you'll shrink. Wealthy people choose their circle carefully. Find mentors. Join communities. Uplift and be uplifted. Habit 7. Be patient and consistent. Jeff Bezos didn't become a billionaire overnight. Amazon took years to turn a profit. But he stayed consistent, focused, and patient. Wealth isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. Small actions every day, done with discipline, lead to big results over time. Wealth is built, not given. Start small. Stay consistent. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Pick one habit. Practice it. Then build another. One day you'll look back and realize you've built wealth. Quietly, steadily, powerfully.